Hey everyone, it's Fee. I'm just coming on today to show you this pretty cool coffee maker that allows me to make a hot drink independently. I don't have to have people leave them out for me or wait till people are around to help me anymore, and it's simply because of this gadget. So I'm going to show you how it's done. I've got my turtle mug, of course. I'm going to put it under. Then I crawl my hand up because I don't have the strength to put my arms up fully. You can get coffee makers with buttons down now, but this is the one my partner got. We didn't think about that at the time, but this works well for my abilities at the moment. So I'm just going to wait till the green light comes on the top here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but if you can't, I'm going to say anyway. While I'm waiting for that, I'm going to put the pod in. This is a bit tricky, this bit, but it's doable. Pop it down. Got this handy pull-out drawer that I got off Amazon. Then pop the pod in. This one's it's a bit stiff, but if I do it with my fist, it's easier. Right, lights turn green now. So I'm going to pull that lever at the back and hold my cup at a tilt, because with it being a turtle mug it doesn't fit very well, so maybe that's something to think about. Don't use a mug that's a weird shape. Right, and then what I do is, so I don't drip the pods everywhere, I have a cup, and then as you can see, I rest my elbow on the wick top, which is really helpful. Sometimes they're a bit stiffer to get out than others. Oh, there we go. Helps if I push it all the way up, doesn't it? Tip it out. Another pod. But anyway, you can see how I'm able to do this instead of a kettle. Working a kettle for me would be quite dangerous, if I'm honest. And I just love the fact that I can make myself a tea or coffee anytime I want now. And would definitely encourage you to use this as a hot water dispenser with whatever kind of hot drink you like. It doesn't have to be for coffee just because it's a coffee maker. I use it for tea, I use it just for hot water, to flush my machines and stuff like that. So yeah, very multifunctional and disabled friendly.